In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a drop-down menu on Shopify. Whether you're just starting with your online store or looking to optimize your navigation for a better customer experience, adding a drop-down menu is a fantastic way to organize your products and make it easier for your customers to find what they're looking for. Let's dive right in and guide you through the process step by step. First, you'll want to head over to your Shopify account. Once you're logged in, locate and click on the Content option on the left-hand side of your dashboard. This is where most of your store's navigational elements are managed. Within the Content section, look for Menus and click on it. This is where you'll create and manage your store's menus. Now that you're in the Menus section, you'll see an option to Create Menu. Go ahead and click on that. This is where the magic happens, as you'll be able to structure your menu according to your store's needs. Once you're ready, find and click on Add Menu Item. This is where you'll start building your drop-down menu. Here, you'll need to enter a name for your menu item. For this example, let's use Shop. This will serve as the main menu item that customers will hover over to see the drop-down options. Once you've typed in Shop, click on Add Menu Item again to add a submenu. This submenu will be the drop-down element under your main Shop menu. For your submenu, enter a name that corresponds to a category or product type in your store. Let's say you want to add t-shirts as a submenu. Type that in the field provided. Now, you'll need to link this submenu item to the corresponding page. This could be a collection, a product page, or any other relevant link on your store. Add the link by selecting from your existing pages or entering a URL. Finally, once you've entered the submenu name and added the appropriate link, click Add to finalize this menu structure. And there you have it. You've successfully added a drop-down menu to your Shopify store. By following these steps, you can enhance your store's navigation, making it easier for customers to browse and find exactly what they need. Remember, a well-organized menu can significantly improve the shopping experience, potentially increasing your sales and customer satisfaction. Thank you for watching today's tutorial on adding a drop-down menu to your Shopify store. If you found this guide helpful, feel free to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks on optimizing your online store. Happy selling, and see you in the next video.